In today's tutorial, we're going to see how can you remove any video background without green screen with the help of a free software. The software's link I'll be giving in the description. So let's begin with the dashboard. This is how the dashboard should look like. So here I have two options, sign in and sign up. If I am first using the software, then you should be going to sign up option. Here you'll have to give the mail ID, password, and you'll have to actually confirm the password, and then you'll have to check this box and sign up. Once you do this, then you will be getting one mail like this, which will ask you to confirm your mail ID. So you'll have to confirm the mail ID and you'll have to go click on this. This will directly lead you to the software. How should we upload the video and remove the background? So here you can see two options. One is upload file, another is drag file here. So I'll be going to upload file. From here, I'll be dragging my respective file. I'll be first showing you a green screen remover, and then I'll show you with other colored background removal. So let me take this one first, open. This is the one which I'm going to remove. Now you can change the duration, but for the free account, you will only be able to access 30 seconds video. So if your video duration is longer than 30 seconds, then preferably you'll have to do it in 2 or 3 or 4 times. So you'll have to click on continue and it will upload the video in the server. That will take a while. So once uploaded, it will show you like this. The background is already removed. So here the advantage is after removing the background, you can get a number of images here. You can take any of these images if you want. You are having video backgrounds available. So beautiful video backgrounds like this or like this. You can use it as per your requirement. You can simply change the color of the background as per your requirement. There are different other colors also available. Suppose if I take the yellow one, suppose this brown one, I can take any simple colored background as well. I can upload my own background as well if I want to. I can just go here on this space and I can take any of the background which is already there in my drive. So I can use that, and otherwise I can keep it transparent like this. So for now, I will just take a video background like so. Now after the background is changed, this is not the end of the story. You can even make further editing by going to this edit option here, and everything is coming free on your way. So you can go to this move option, and that will give you different direction where you can make your subject move. Suppose if I want it to be lifted, to be downwards, to be leftwise or rightwise, as per my requirement, I can make this object move, right? I can scale it up, I can make it bigger, or I can make it even smaller, okay? I can add any filter I feel like. There are different types of filters available. So if suppose I want to go for this or this filter, or perhaps this one is looking better, so I can go for that and then I can press done. This is how you can do the video, any video background. Here this is a green screen video. So after this I will just continue, and then it will give me MP4 or GIF format. So I will be taking MP4 format and continue, and that will make the video get downloaded. There will be no watermark at all. Only if you're using a free account, then it will be having 30-second duration here. Otherwise, everything is like accessible for a free account. Right now, I am using free account itself. So whatever I could do, you also can do with a free account. Now my video is downloaded already. I can show you how is it looking now. Yes, so this is how the video is looking. There is no glitch as such. There is no edges left with the video. So I'm pretty happy with it. Now let us see if we can change any other colored, monochromic colored background or not. So I will go to upload file once again. And here This time I will just drag and drop. I have a couple of videos. I'm going to take this yellow background. Okay, so let's continue. So see, this is how it has already removed. Automatically it removes as soon as it is uploaded. Now let us change it, replace the background with some image background here. Let us see what are the images available. So let me take this one, or rather this one only. This is looking very nice. And let us go to little editing part and give a beautiful filter here. Let us see which filter works really well. Okay, this one I'm liking. It's quite bright. So let us make it okay. And let us go for continue. Then again MP4 format. And let it get downloaded. Once 100% is completed, then you'll have to press on this download option and it will be downloaded in your respective drive. Let us see if this software can remove this background as well. See, this can remove literally any background if it is having no cross object behind the screen, right? So, and then you can replace it with some other video, whatever you want, or image. Let's suppose I want this beautiful sea image at the back, or the sky. Yes, so I can replace it with anything basically. So this was another requested video which many of my subscribers requested, if there is any free software by which background can be easily removed. That's the reason I have created this. Hope you liked it. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please consider to click the subscription button below. And today this much. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.